Good morning, everyone. It's a very nice day. Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to make banana cake. So let's go and do it. Okay, so of course we'll need banana, which is quite ripe. We'll mash this and combine it with the other ingredients. I have an egg, 1/4 cup milk, 3/4 cup sugar, vanilla essence, just as a teaspoon would do, and a self-rising flour, which is 1.5 cup, and 125 grams of butter. Okay, so first I'll mix and melt the butter and sugar together. Alright, so we've melted the butter and sugar, and now I'll add in the vanilla. Just a teaspoon will do. Mix it together. I'll now turn off the heat and let it cool off a bit, and I'll mash the banana. The bananas mashed, and we'll mix this with our butter and sugar mixture. Alright, so we have our butter, sugar, vanilla, and mashed bananas together. Now we'll mix in the egg and the milk and then the flour. So here's the consistency of our final mixture, and I've already heated the oven at 170 degrees, and we'll be putting this in and wait until about 25 minutes. We'll check in between that period, but estimated 25 minutes in the oven. Alright, so let's see. Okay. Alright, so we'll just open and wait. Alright, so we'll check our looks like it's ready. Let's see. We'll do the toothpick test. Right. Still a bit more, I think. Yeah, still a bit more. There's something sticking there. Okay, so we'll leave it for a few more minutes. In there. All right. Oh, looks so much better. We'll check this again. See if it passes the toothpick test. Looks like it's done. Yep, that's all good. Alright, so we have now our banana cake. This can be served as is, or we can make chocolate icing on top. Let's try that, hey? So I have here 2 cups icing sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 150 grams of butter, softened. So we'll just cream this together. So now we have our chocolate icing. We'll just pour it on top of the cake. And here's our cake. And then we'll just so after we've put the icing, I did it. It's not very nice, but we're going to try it now. Taste this banana cake with chocolate ice. Okay, so take this. Get it. Oops. Okay, there. Try it. It's alright?
Very nice.
Get a fork. Here. Have a taste. Then we'll see. With does it match?
Yep.
Well, that's it, folks. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Try it. And until next time, for those who haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button. All right, bye.